Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Hema Patel from Wisteria Dental Care in Germantown, Maryland. I am going to introduce our next community project. As many of you know, and as our patients know, that one of our core values as a practice is to invest in the health of our community. And we have done this in many different ways throughout the years. I think the one that is most well known is the Give Kids a Smile event that we seem to have a lot of turnout, as well as I think it's the only one that we seem to remember to post on Facebook. So we do have a lot of people know about that one. I do want us to do some community events for adults because I feel like we do a lot for children, but quite a few of the parents that have come to these events for the kids have asked if we would be able to do something and help out adult patients as well. So the team had been looking at different options and they voted for something called Project Smile. And I'm going to introduce what Project Smile is going to be all about in just a little bit. But I just wanted to get a little bit of feedback from those watching today, if there's anybody watching on live right now. Just some questions that I have. Most of these patients have talked about how not having the smile that they want or the dental care that they want has affected them. And quite a few patients have talked about how it's affected them not being able to get the job that they wanted because the employer did not take them seriously. Some of them talk about the social and emotional impact. Most of them always talk about how they don't feel confident. That's a lack of self-confidence has been a key factor for quite a few patients. And you see the reverse when a patient gets their smile fixed. It just boosts their self-confidence, and it's really great to watch that. The other part of it is also the financial impact because quite a few patients end up in the ER or they go to dentist several times and they're missing work. They're ending up having a lot of extra expenses that they could have avoided by getting hopefully care while in the early stages or preventive dental care so that they do not end up in emergency situations or ending up needing more extensive dental care. So I'm going to talk about what this Project Smile is all about, and the team is really excited about it as well. So what Project Smile is going to be is that we are going to open up an email where anybody who needs a smile makeover can send us a little story about, why they would like to have their dental treatment done. And this is going to be done without any cost to the patient. And we will read those stories that come in through the email. And we'll share the email and add it to this post so that you know where to send those stories. And we'd like for you to also submit some photos so we can see a little bit about, your smile or, what is really affecting you about your smile that you do not like. And I know that if it's not you, that there are other people in your life. It could be a sibling, a parent, a friend, a coworker that is struggling with issues with their teeth or their mouth. So please share this with anybody and everybody in the area, in your community, so that we can find this person that really needs our help. You might just say, change somebody's life. And that's what we have noticed, that giving smiles to our patients have changed quite a few of our patients' lives, literally. So please get this message out to them so that we can help somebody out there that needs it as well. So the process, like I said, is to send us an email with a little bit about a story about yourself, telling us a little bit about what has affected you or how not having dental care and not having that smile you want has affected you. And then also, just letting us know what are some of the difficulties you've encountered in trying to get the dental care that you want. And that would help us as well figure out how we can work around those when we are looking for winner for this project so that we can maybe work around those issues too. Again, this is Dr. Hema Patel from Wisteria Dental Care in Germantown, Maryland. And I would love for us to see, the person that is going to be getting a kind of a life makeover with getting their smile fixed as well as getting their dental health back too. So please help us out in spreading the word, and hopefully we'll get as many entries as we can. The deadline is November 3rd, so we'd love to read all the stories from all of you. The email is transform.wisteria@gmail.com. All right, everyone, have a good evening, and we look forward to seeing you all again over here. Take care. Bye-bye.